Hi, Amanda here with Bandanna Promotions, and today I'll be showing you how to wear our 35-inch Fashion-Danna, one of our most versatile bandanas yet. As the name implies, the Fashion-Danna has many fashion-specific uses and can be worn in a variety of ways. The simplest ways to wear the Fashion-Danna is simply to fold it in half diagonally and simply tie it around your front, like so. This is a look that's been supported by many celebrities over the years, including Beyonce and Chantal Jeffries. This method is absolutely perfect for festivals and outdoor concerts. It will make excellent merchandise for performers and bands. This also works well for beaches and resorts because your Fashion-Danna top can also double as a sarong tie, which ties neatly around your waist and hangs to the side. A similar way to wear your Fashion-Danna requires a small amount of sewing or pinning. Simply take your Fashion-Danna and tie it around your midriff upside down like so. Once it's tied, simply flip it up and pin or sew it along any sort of soft tie or even another smaller bandana. This creates a unique halter top. As an additional perk, after wearing it, your large Fashion-Danna also doubles as a beach or picnic blanket. There are also a few different ways you can wear this around your neck. With a simple sliding buckle, you can create a no-sew necktie or neck scarf. Simply roll the Fashion-Danna up diagonally and slide the sliding buckle on. Voila, instant fashion. We offer a few different ways to customize your Fashion-Danna, including screen printing. Your logo or design would be placed along the blank corner of our classic paisley design. This method is offered in 4 different colors, including navy, white, black, or red. Right here you can see how this is utilized. Here. With our screen print option, there's a low 72-piece minimum quantity. If you're looking for a completely customized experience, then we also offer rotary printing. With rotary printing, you can choose from a variety of fabric colors for your bandana. Simply choose your color and your 35-inch design, like so. Would you wear your Fashion-Danna? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, follow us on all of our social media platforms for more inspiration and ideas here at Bandanna Promotions.